Hello, my name is Chris Nielsen. The company's name is Nantronics, and the product name is FlexGrid Charger. It's a vision I had when I was in college, part of a business plan. I've been working with it for the last few years to go from business plan from school into actual company products. We're hoping to fund our first line of products for the company with our built-in FlexGrid charger, which is an induction charger that allows you to use the plates out on the market today to recharge the batteries in other devices besides cell phones. I want to give you a little bit of history on the plates. From the video here, you can see there's the Energizer, there's a Duracell, the Power Mat, and a new entrance into the industry is the LG. The Energizer plate, the LG plate, and the Power Mat plate are actually induction plates. The Duracell was an early entry into the power market, and it's really not an induction plate. So our company products will not support the Duracell product. So that brings us to the three plates here. A little bit background on the industry. Energizer and the LG are part of the QI standard, which is a European standard. It gives you the assurance that any QI equipped piece of equipment will actually work with any other QI piece of equipment. Power Mat has combined with Samsung and Qualcomm, and they've developed an American standard A4WP. This will give you two different standards, and hence the FlexGrid philosophy, in that two standards means non-operability between the two. We have to bridge that gap as a product manufacturer to reduce returns, aggravations from customers. Downstream, you may find that some manufacturers will get into one camp or the other. It's kind of the PC Apple relationship, or lack of. Our first products are just some basic remote controls, some mice. We have an e-reader, flashlight. It's just basic in around the household kind of products. Here's an example of the Link with a remote control. All of the plates work very similar in that you have some kind of an indicator light when the power link has been established. We're including some sort of a complementary link light in the device to make sure that when both lights are on, the coupling is at a high efficiency rate and power transfer is in process. We've done a couple different remotes. We have another one here. This is a little bit different model here. The Power Mat gives you not only the indicator light but also the little sound. We probably incorporate some little sound into our devices eventually also to complement the different device sounds. LG does the same thing. They have a little bit of a sound and a light to show that their plate has coupled with a device on the plate. We have the indicator light on the device showing that it has coupled also. So we have remotes. We've proved that you can integrate the induction plate technology into remote controls. We've also looked into mice. Wireless mice could be kind of a real good market for us. Here's an example of the Apple Mighty Mouse. We have the induction symbol on the bottom. This is used just strictly for alignment purposes. So the induction circle goes inside the induction circle on the plate, and if the link is made correctly, there's the efficiency handshake that has to happen as the lights blink on and off. And once that is established, both lights come on, showing that there's a power transfer happening here. The nice thing about the Power Mat, it's got magnets that act as kind of a centering mechanism. You'll see that when I just move this mouse in position a little bit, it will automatically center. The LG plates have a similar kind of a magnetic link or coupling capability. The Energizer doesn't. You have to kind of eyeball it. Once you get used to positioning the devices, that's not really difficult, but it does take a little bit of time. The Energizer goes through a lot more handshaking, kind of back and forth packet transfers and pinging in order to establish the link. The other ones with the magnetics, I think, are a little bit quicker responding. So that's the Apple mouse. We have a GE mouse. We've done a Microsoft mouse. We have a HP mouse, of course. So there's the mice are quite integratable. The next device that we were looking at was the e-reader. We thought the e-reader would be something that we could get involved in and actually get the circuitry built in. Some devices may be too small, some may be too large for this, but it looks like so far the e-reader is going to make a nice addition to our product line. So that kind of gives you a little bit of an indication of some of the devices that we're currently working on. The whole purpose of this particular pledge drive is to bring back or to develop or to procure the money for tooling for the plastic parts, PC board development, and a little bit of marketing effort. And we'd like to thank you for your participation. Thank you.